Hi guys, Alan Cynthia here and welcome to today's Trading Diaries episode. I'm gonna review these fire setups that we had on gold and Dow Jones US30. I actually didn't do it right on time. That is why we're having the opening already happened. But I said, you know what, build it. So here we are. First hand, we had this straight to the point type of setup on the daily time frame. That is a long setup. This old low right there was taken out. It was on 2547 around that point. Price wicked it through. And you know, wicks are like so freaking addictive. I just saw it and my brain just went, let's get to it. I had taken it right after, but I was second guessing it simply because we're too bullish. And I say, okay, maybe not. And was going through the weekend and I just said it was fine for us to just get new opportunities in the whole brand new week. And we got them. The low hanging fruit. Price stopped it on a higher time frame. Bearish. Right there. Price had tapped it already. But it tapped it anyways and we dropped to the Tata Stoop long setup in the daily, which was pretty exact. So there we had it. And it had turned into, but since it had not reacted to it firsthand, we would consider this as a breaker as well, since this leg did not manage to reverse after it had tapped it. We shifted broke market structure by a body. We had this volume imbalance. Price didn't refill it first hand, but this very value gap was low-key filled by this little week, and we shifted bullish to this high. And price did not hesitate but put it too. And I would consider this as a breaker, as I said, because it came back to this old bearish order block, which had failed to resist price from going beyond this point, and we shifted to this next one. First did perfect for the second position was around the daily, the 4-hour bearish order block, and it just broke it and made it to this high, which is buy side liquidity. And the opening just abruptly dropped, and you might want to see whatever happening. So there we are. Haven't made one of them, but thinking of calling it out like first hand, but it's fine. It really dropped like so well. What percentage dropping? It's super strong. Anyways, it's say this week, but how about, oh yeah, maybe this is still valid. We'll put an ellipse here so we can see what it's all about. These two levels are something too nice. I'm always here to see why price does the things that it does. So I'm always open to seeing them. And could have seen this thing here. And it dropped. Okay. The outlook will be mixed up to the review. And yeah, that is it. It was such a good rally. Pretty much straight to the point. Zero hesitation, period. This was the volume imbalance I'm talking about. In the battle market structure. Right there. We went breaking every single new high created and came back, which is pretty much good. Like on the 1 hour, you can literally see this order block here, a bullish order block. That price returned to and shifted again and again and again and again. By week, by the way, look at this week, which is pretty good because simply because you train your eyes to see the things that it's about to see. And it was 30. Let's go to the annotated version of it. Dowjones. Hey, why are they different? I think it's because of the brokerage and everything. Anyways, just take a look at this. I want to draw my attention to what happened here. It was 30. Girl. Things happen, and that's fine. Well. I literally cut this position beats because this was my exact point of reference because of this liquidity void that we had here, and the midpoint of it was on this equilibrium point that I labeled CE, constant encroachment, which is good because I had it like right down here, and it's always fine to take profit even if price doesn't reach the exact point. It shifted bullish, and I say, you know what, we saw getting in. And yeah, I might see, because I had a fear of missing out. This wasn't the best position to get to, but it was fine, first of all. Second of all,
you would have dropped farther than humiliating me like this.
Anyways, it's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour so we can talk things out. I should have dropped seats down there, but at first I thought like we was about to not. And by the time it started rallying just like that, I thought, you know, we might want to say for lower price levels and everything, but this was still a valid entry point. By the time she's too heavy to, and we reached this point, at least in this area, and price shifted bullish. Made it to this point. We had this little order block here that price revisited, and I say, you know what, let's just get to it. This bull candle that was rather momentumous, and we dropped back by weeks. I was taken out at around this point, and I let it be. I didn't want to do more revenge trades or anything. Not more. I just didn't want to do any revenge trades. But it was good. It was a good setup, and price just shifted again. This wasn't valid, at least for me. I wouldn't want to take it like there and then, but it was still valid, if you might, because this was by a week, and it's okay to miss some. I need to tell myself all the time that it's okay to miss some setups, because you're gonna miss some setups if you want it or not. So we came back to this fair value gap, which is pretty good. And back to this order block. Okay. We came back to this order block right here. Which order block, my love? This one, exactly. Fair value gaps with order blocks are the strongest. And we just returned to it. A bullish order block. And we had this fair value gap within this little range. And I would fall for it. No, because we had this old order block as well. And just check the way price drifted. Wicks are addictive, but we had shifted already. So this shift was meaning a lot already. And price returned to it, and we just got so much momentum, and we just shifted again and again and again. Returned to it as well by a week. And broke structure again and shifted. So the opening even made us a new volume imbalance that we're still standing at. Can't wait to see what price is about to do, because since we reached a new all-time high again. Overall, massively bullish. The price can do anything at any point in time, whether we want to see it or not. So the goal is to be reactive to anything that I see and everything. But that's how I stand. That's the little thingy right there. It was such a good setup. And so is this. Breaking market structure, price failed to go beyond this point, and we expected nothing less than or other than dropping like that. It was a beautiful week, and yep, that's it. That's it with what I wanted to talk about and everything about how the week was and all things price. So can't wait to see y'all in my next one. Never to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram at all in the link in the description. See you in my next one. Peace and love. Adios.